In this video, I'm about to show you how to increase your SEO score in your YouTube videos with vidIQ. First, navigate to the web browser and search for YouTube to reach its website. On the left side, scroll down and find the YouTube Studio option. Then click on it and it'll take you to your channel page. Here, select the content option and choose the videos area. Now, click the blue icon shown on the left side of the video. In the next step, you'll see an advanced embed of the video. After that, select any video and you'll see a suggestion option along with the description box. Next, click on the Get AI Description Recommendation options. Following that, select any of the options from the suggestions. To generate your AI description, you'll need to upgrade the boost. On the right side, you'll get a box to see the number of vidIQ SEO scores, checklist, and actionable. Now, open the other tab and reach the vidIQ website. Make sure to log in or sign up first. After that, click on View All of Optimize your latest video. Here, select your YouTube video and add text. You can also find tag and reach the title area. Next, you'll need to score with a boost to get the suggested titles. To get the thumbnail, you'll also need to upgrade with boost. In this way, you'll be able to increase your SEO score in your YouTube video with vidIQ. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.